Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am excited to share with you a fantastic opportunity to earn some cash online in 2024. With the rise of AI and various online tools, the internet has become a gold mine for earning money. You can genuinely make a living from the comfort of your home. I have personally transitioned to working online and it has been a game changer for me. Now let's dive into this method. We will be harnessing the power of AI, a trend that has been currently skyrocketing, and it is crucial to hop on this bandwagon early. AI is shaping up to be the next big thing and you don't want to miss out on the wave. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me blow your mind with these statistics. By 2032, the AI market is projected to reach $1.3 trillion. That is mind-boggling growth, and it is happening right before your eyes. So it's high time to get into the action and secure your slice of the pie. Let's focus on a specific tool that's causing waves in the AI world, Rask.ai. This video translation software is an absolute game changer. It has the capability of translating content across numerous languages with utmost accuracy. And the best part, it is fully AI powered. Let me tell you how it actually works. You simply upload your video, select the language for translation, and Rask.ai works its magic, delivering seamless translation in no time. It is incredibly versatile, offering a plethora of features like YouTube video translation, text-to-speech conversion, and more. But the actual question is, how will you make money from this? So there are three ways. They are not easy, but they are doable. Number one, find English YouTubers that need translation across different languages. You can offer your services to translate their content, opening up a new opportunity for yourself and earn money from it. Number two, go to Fiverr, open up an account, and give translation services to people that need it. It is a thriving marketplace for video translations right now. You can join the ranks of successful translators and start earning money right away. And number three, start your own company. This is the hardest way to earn your own money compared to the other two methods, but if you're someone who has capital right now and you want to start your own business, this is the one you should go for. Offer comprehensive video translation services to clients worldwide. The potential of getting profits and growth is immense. 2024 is the perfect time to capitalize on this AI boom and carve out your own niche in online making landscape. With the tools like Rask.ai, the possibilities are endless. So don't hesitate to seize this opportunity and embark on your journey to financial freedom. Let's make 2024 your year of prosperity. If you do like this video, subscribe.